Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share about the botanical garden in Baguio. Baguio is one of the most exciting place to visit in the Philippines. The climate is very interesting. It is different than the lowlands of the Philippines. Baguio City, also known as the City of Pines, and also the people they call it Summer Capital. This city is also one of the top destination for the locals and the foreign tourists. The cool climate is very interesting to experience. Baguio City Botanical Garden, known as Imelda Park. This garden goes by few different names, which are Botanical and Zoology Garden. This garden, which was previously a zoo, and then it was renamed to Imelda Park by Ferdinand Marcos for his wife. This park also contains a friendship garden featuring the countries United States, China, Japan, South Korea, Canada, and Thailand, which countries which contained elements of the country's culture, such as temple and statues, etc. It is also contain a sunflower farm, and also garden spotlighting dahlia, crocus, marcot cheese, orchid, and some other flowers as well. It was a beautiful day, so this is the map of the whole garden, and there are pictures and they are mentioning the locations and what is inside and etc. So it is a full explanation. At the same time, the day was very beautiful and I enjoyed the whole day. At the same time, I can see the other people, they are not rushing, they enjoy the time and the day. And also, if someone want to stay the whole day, of course there are food, there is water, there is coffee, people can take pictures, they can relax, sit and relax. There are a lot of places to sit and relax. People were there with families, relatives, cousins, etc., etc. At of course, couples, the lovers, and etc. This is a very interesting garden. Many unique plants were there. In other way, if I want to say that, there are many kind of collections of plants and flowers were there. I really had the pleasure of exploring this botanical garden, and it was a refreshing and enriching experience. And I was enjoying this botanical garden with the air of the mountain, the cold air of the mountain. There were diverse collections of plants, trees, flowers, vibrant blooms. I have traveled to Baguio many times, but this was the first time in this garden. I strongly recommended to the people to visit if you travel to Baguio, because this is a good opportunity to experience this beautiful garden. If I can share the entrance fees details, I will post on my community page. I will try. They have improved the quality of the maintenance of this garden, and the people who are visiting the garden, they can buy the plants, even they can buy the flowers as well. If you are a nature lover and just looking for a place to relax, Botanical Garden is the right choice. Ukuan. Really, it's look like I am in a different world. PMC, Botanical Park, Field Chinese Friendship Park, Japanese Tunnel Walk. Okay. Korea Garden. Let's check this way. Seating area. Seating area. Wow, Chinese friendship. $30.
May mga
Pagod.
selfie. Kami na nakakita. 1, Saan ka po?
Siranta na lang ka hindi ko masulod ko ba anak ka? Rooms ng ano?
Hapon ma'am. Kasi nabigyan noong 1942. Pinagtaguan niya ng hapon ng World War II. Nahuli sila noong 1945. 44, 44. Yan, mayroon siya kasi 36 rooms. Dati yan may
So may mga,
palabas.
ano dyan, may mga bungo, may mga, wala ako.
Talagang parang nag-iwanan na lang nila kasi yung dating unang nag-distrito yung nagbantay dito. Kasi kami si ito, dito. Nung kami na pinagtrabaho dito, ginagawa ng park namin.